Nestled deep within the misty forest, hidden from the eyes of ordinary humans, stood the Enchanted Academy, a magnificent castle-like school for the gifted. The school was surrounded by shimmering waterfalls, glowing trees, and an air of mystery that enchanted anyone who ventured close. Protected by an invisible barrier, it allowed entry only to those with magic in their veins. This year, the Academy welcomed four exceptional students, Aisha, Huma, Irsa, and Joheb, each from different magical lineages, each with unique, untamed abilities. Guiding them on their journey was Mirha, a wise and kind-hearted enchantress whose aura radiated both warmth and power. On their first day, the four students stood in awe in the Great Hall, a magnificent chamber illuminated by a floating crystal chandelier casting rainbow hues across the room. Mirha greeted them with a warm smile, her voice resonating with a mix of authority and kindness. "Welcome to the Enchanted Academy," she began, her eyes sparkling like stars. "Here, you will learn to master your gifts and protect the magical realms from the darkness that threatens to consume it." The students exchanged curious glances, a mix of excitement and nervousness buzzing in the air. Classes began the next morning, and it was unlike anything they had ever experienced. Aisha, with her fiery red hair and determination, excelled in elemental magic. She could summon flames with a flick of her wrist but struggled to control her temper, which sometimes made the flames grow out of hand. Huma, quiet and observant, had a natural affinity for healing spells, her hands glowing with a soft, golden light whenever she concentrated. Irsa, the most curious of them all, had a knack for deciphering ancient runes and uncovering hidden secrets. Joheb, bold and confident, possessed an extraordinary talent for summoning mystical creatures, though his mischievous nature often led to chaotic incidents in class. One afternoon, while exploring the Academy's vast library, Irsa stumbled upon an old, dusty tome locked behind a glowing barrier. Her curiosity ignited, and with Aisha's help, she managed to unlock it using a fiery incantation. The book revealed a prophecy about a looming darkness and four young magicians destined to stop it. The prophecy mentioned a hidden artifact, the Orb of Eternity buried deep within the Forbidden Woods, said to hold the power to seal away the darkness forever. Intrigued yet hesitant, the group decided to seek Mirha's guidance. Mirha listened intently as they explained their discovery, her expression turning grave. "The Orb of Eternity is no mere artifact," she said, her voice tinged with caution. "Retrieving it will require immense courage and skill. The Forbidden Woods are dangerous, filled with traps and creatures loyal to the darkness. But if the prophecy is true, you four may be our only hope." She gave them a map and a magical compass that glowed when pointed in the right direction. "Stay united, trust one another, and remember, magic is strongest when fueled by the heart." The journey to the Forbidden Woods was perilous. The group encountered enchanted mazes, illusions, and shadowy creatures attempting to thwart their progress. Aisha's fiery determination and Joheb's ability to summon protective beasts proved invaluable, while Irsa's quick thinking and Huma's healing spells kept them safe. Along the way, their bond grew stronger, and they began to understand the true meaning of teamwork. When they finally reached the heart of the woods, they found the Orb of Eternity guarded by a colossal, shadowy beast. The creature roared, its eyes glowing with malevolent intent. Mirha's teachings echoed in their minds as they prepared to face the final challenge. Together, they combined their powers, Aisha's flames, Huma's healing light, Irsa's runes, and Joheb's summoned creatures, creating a spell so powerful that it shattered the darkness enveloping the beast, reducing it to harmless shadows. With the Orb of Eternity in their grasp, the group returned to the Academy, where Mirha greeted them with pride. "You have proven yourselves not just as magicians but as protectors of the magical realm," she said, her voice filled with warmth. From that day on, Aisha, Huma, Irsa, and Johab were celebrated as heroes, their names etched into the Academy's history. But more importantly, they had discovered the strength that lay within their friendship, a bond that no darkness could ever break.